Alcatel 3T8 is the latest 8-inch tablet of the economic brand. With a sub-Full HD screen, a mid-range processor and 2 GB of RAM, this Oreo Android device is not an inexhaustible source. Instead, it is a device that is designed to be left to children and comes with a $150 budget price. There's a kids mode software integrated directly into the tablet, which allows you to block or impose time restrictions on applications beyond the parental controls already provided by Android. A 4080 mAh battery comes with the promise of a little more than 8 hours of continuous transmission through Wi-Fi. Meanwhile, a closer TV application fuses its cable, satellite TV and streaming services, such as Netflix, Hulu and Amazon Video in one place. The Alcatel 3T8 will be available as of October 12.